through the night trying to keep my eyes open. The generator's busted and the AC.
Hello everybody, I hope you guys had a very Merry Christmas, and I was hoping to have this video out before, but just didn't get it finished. So we are getting Bill's 55 painted, and after that we also will be finishing up the 71 Ventura. So again, not a lot of talking, but we're just going to kind of show you what we're doing, and I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you very much.
Love the road, I'm coming home, baby, leave the porch light on. Breakfast in the morning from 7 to 9, but we just can't seem to wake up in time. We grab a cup of coffee and we're off to hit the road. Now we're running on fumes, no time to kill. We got one more show and it's a shitty doorbell, breaking my back just to make a couple more. Yeah, it's another hotel room, sleeping on the floor. I'm hurting in the morning from the night before. Pay my dues, I'm eating, love the road. I'm coming home, baby, leave the porch light on. Hotel room, sleeping on the floor. I'm hurting in the morning from the night before. Pay my dues, I'm eating, love the road. I'm coming home, baby, leave the porch light on.
Take my soul, take my heart, tear me apart. If I'm good for anything, it's all of this suffering to use me for part. To you I'm just salvage, I ain't ran right in years. So drive me, then gut me, deceive and fuck me, and disappear. Take all my jokes and tell them to them, and act like you're someone that could be someone worth loving. And steal all the good parts you found in me. Yeah, you'll sell them quick, yeah, you'll sell them cheap, hey, you'll give them for free. But I cleaned all my pistons, I'm running on 91, and I'm piecing myself back off the shelf, one by one. Now I've got a driver who chooses the high road. They don't use me for scraps or throw my ass back when I hit potholes. And I'm flying down freeways, going 117, and a 68 fastback looks like a hatchback racing me. I believe you cannot tear down what's built up strong now, thankfully. cannot tear down what's built up strong now, thankfully. And I'm flying down freeways, going 117, and a 68 fastback looks like a hatchback next to me.
Probably doesn't pick it up on camera.
Can't believe it's done.
I know.
Feels good. A lot of work went into this one.
Yeah, a lot.
A lot.
That was about 1 year, almost exactly. Brand new car.
Some good tape.
Yeah, my phone.
Break first or break fast and hope it don't last too long. Hope you don't find someone like me. I care, but I'm tired. I swear you won't die if I turn off the lights. I swear I won't mind if she's better than I am. I guess I meant it when I said I never loved you, but I never meant for it to hurt this bad. When you call, don't ask me how I feel about it. I don't know. I'm sorry though. I am.
So glad I got that.
Save your lights for all the colors. They'll bring you in your sleep. Hey, don't waste the light on me.
Yeah.
Save your eyes for someone brighter than I will ever be.
Like that.
Don't hesitate to bring me to my knees. Hey,
Three most beautiful cars.
no vacancy.
Bill, get ready. You shit your pants when you walk in.
So right now, Nikki is wet sanding the hood on the Bel Air. This is 1500 grit. So she's gonna do this whole thing by hand with that. Not really focusing on anything specific. This is just to fully flatten the texture out. So anytime she stumbles upon a little dirt nib, she'll flatten that out completely. But overall, this came out pretty clean and pretty smooth. So not too much orange peel or texture to sand out of this. So she should be able to get this all finished up today. So this is the first stage. I'll show you what she does next. But this one is all done by hand. What stage you on?
What?
What stage you on?
I'm buffing now.
Oh, you're buffing?
Mhm.
Oh,
See?
Nikki's fast. So this is 1500, 2000, 3000, and 5000 grit. And it hasn't been touched with a buffer yet.
They thought they were made for each other, won't be thinking of one another, never thinking just for 1 second she would take a different attraction. We don't want them, we don't want them, we don't want them, oh no. We don't want them, we don't want them, we don't want them, oh no. I can't go on without you, I can't go on without you, can't go on without you, yeah. I can't go on without you. So what's the point of breaking my sweetheart? She wanted me to let down my guard. Well, you know what they say, it's better that way. So you better hush and walk away. We don't want them, we don't want them, we don't want them, yeah. Oh no. We don't want them, we don't want them, we don't want them, oh no. I can't go on without you, I can't go on without you, oh love. Can't go on without you, ooh, ooh. I can't go on, won't go on living on without you. Where was I supposed to wait for you, sweetheart? Hide away the shame, yes, I keep it all inside. Though the thought it crossed my mind, to do all the things I regret. We don't want them, we don't want them, we don't want them, we don't want them, oh no. We don't want them, we don't want them, we don't want them, oh no. I can't go on without you, I can't go on without you, oh love. Go on without you, I can't go on without you, baby. She loves me now. She loves me. My love don't love me. Oh, so what is left but a broken man? 'Cause nothing hurts like a woman can. I can't go on without you, I can't go on without you, oh yeah. Can't go on without you, I can't go on without you, oh, without you, Lord, without you, without you, babe, without you, oh.